Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review the stair light. So I have received this package to review, and this is the kind of light which you can actually mount it to the stairs to basically light it up. And it comes in this really small package, so I expected something much bigger than that, but let's have a look what we have got. Really small lights in here. We have a bunch of glue I believe in here, a big user manual. Let's get them all out. There we go. So let's check it out with the user manual first. Pretty big one as well. Many different languages, and we have got the English one. So specification: 0.5 watt, 30 lums brightness. So it's really small light, I would say. Warm white, RGB light. And so we have got the style button adjustment function. Gently press the button, can switch the color red, green, blue, white. So it can be like different colors. It's RGB or red, green, blue light. Installation: tear off the double-sided tape and stick it on the back of the product. Tear off the other side of the double-sided tape, and then battery replacement reminder. Push the sensor gently up and back. Remove the battery and install it to the position. Then we have got gently align the cover and put it back to the original. Okay, now let's open it up and see what we have got in here. Looks like this. So it's a kind of light actually which has a movement sensor as well, so pretty cool actually. So we can open it from here, gently push it, well, like this. There we go. So you can put it from this way, and yeah, pretty easy to remove it. Now let's put a couple of batteries inside it and see how it looks like. All right, now I have 3 batteries in here. Let's just put the batteries and see how this thing looks like. The second one and the third one, and there we go. So let's close this down. Right, so this is basically how it looks like. Now all my lights are almost off, so which means around this light is pretty dark actually. And now check it out, as soon as I move it turns on. So let's check it out and see how long it takes. 5 seconds, 8, 9, 10, 15 seconds, 20 seconds, 25 seconds. There we go. So probably something like 25 to 30 seconds. And the movement, let me see. You see, it's quite sensitive as well. So I was actually really slowly moving my hands and it has already detected me. Pretty cool actually, although it's very small, but it's pretty bright. So check it out. I mean, like, imagine you have quite a few of them actually connected. It's a pretty cool thing. Well, that's pretty much it. Hope you liked it. If so, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. I always have new videos on a daily basis. Make sure you stay tuned. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Thank you and bye bye.